peach fizz. Cut the peaches in half, twist and then chop into pieces. In a saucepan over low heat, combine the peach, caster sugar and lime juice. And you want to cook, stirring occasionally for 5 to 7 minutes or until tender. Then remove from the heat. Next, transfer to a blender and blend until smooth. Place in the fridge to cool completely. Then divide the thinly sliced peach among the serving glasses. Add the raspberries. Then divide the peach puree and the gin, if you're using it, among the glasses. Add crushed ice, mint, and then top with mineral water. Stir and serve.